Are you looking for a natural way to get rid of fleas in your house? This video will show you some simple tips to get rid of fleas in your home without using harmful chemicals. You'll learn how to make a natural flea repellent, identify areas where fleas are likely to hide, and vacuum to remove them from your home. Watch this video and say goodbye to those pesky fleas. Here are the best natural ways to eliminate fleas. 1. Diatomaceous earth. Diatomaceous earth is a naturally occurring substance that consists of fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. This substance can serve as an effective flea treatment when ground into a fine powder. Diatomaceous earth can kill fleas by puncturing their exoskeletons and drying them out. You can apply it to carpeting, furniture, bedding, and other areas where fleas are present. Vacuuming regularly will remove dead fleas and eggs from your home. To use diatomaceous earth, sprinkle it around the areas where fleas are most active. Be sure to pay special attention to cracks and crevices where these pests like to hide. As the powder comes into contact with fleas, it will cause them to dehydrate and die. Diatomaceous earth is safe for humans and pets when used as directed. However, it is crucial to wear a dust mask when handling the powder to avoid inhaling it. 2. Citrus. Fleas are a common problem for many pet owners. But did you know that citrus can help kill fleas? Citrus is a natural insecticide that can kill fleas quickly. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges contain limonene, a chemical that can kill fleas. Some studies have shown that limonene is more effective than some commercial flea sprays. To use citrus to get rid of fleas, start by vacuuming your floors and furniture to remove any eggs or larvae. Then, place lemon or orange peels around your home, particularly where you've seen fleas. You can also add a few drops of citrus oil to your vacuum cleaner bag to help kill any fleas vacuumed up. Finally, wash all your bedding and clothing in hot water to remove any fleas hiding there. Another way to use this method is to mix equal parts lemon juice and water in a spray bottle. Fill a spray bottle with water and add freshly squeezed lemon juice or orange juice. You can also add a few drops of essential oil for extra fragrance. Then, spray the mixture around your house, paying attention to areas where your pets spend time. The acid in the lemon juice will kill the fleas on contact. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice often used in baking and cooking. It has a sweet, warm flavor that can add depth to many recipes. You can also use cinnamon for its medicinal properties. One way to use cinnamon medicinally is to kill fleas. Cinnamon is an effective way to kill fleas because it contains cinnamaldehyde. This compound is toxic to fleas, and it works by causing them to dehydrate and die. You can use cinnamon as a powder, oil, or sticks. To use cinnamon, sprinkle some ground cinnamon on your carpets and furniture. Additionally, you can add a few drops of essential oil to your vacuum cleaner bag to kill the fleas. The smell of cinnamon will help to repel fleas and keep your home free of these pesky pests. 4. Boric acid. Boric acid is a naturally occurring substance you can use to kill fleas in the home. When used correctly, boric acid is a safe and effective way to get rid of fleas. The acid works by dehydrating fleas and their eggs. When the powder comes into contact with fleas, it absorbs their body moisture and dries them out. This process kills adult fleas and their eggs, preventing them from reproducing. You can find boric acid in most hardware stores, and it's easy to use. Sprinkle the powder around your home, paying attention to areas where fleas are likely to congregate or hide, such as carpets or pet beds. Be sure to vacuum thoroughly afterwards to remove any dead fleas and eggs. You should see a dramatic reduction in the flea population within a few days. 5. Cloves. If you are looking for a natural way to get rid of fleas in your home, cloves may be the answer. Clove is a spice you can use in several ways, but it can be used as an insecticide. This oil can kill fleas and their eggs when used as an insecticide. It's also effective against other insects, such as ants and mosquitoes. To use clove oil for fleas, add a few drops to your pet's shampoo or cotton ball and apply it to your pet's fur. You can also add a few drops of clove oil to a diffuser and diffuse it in your home. Clove oil is safe for most pets when used as directed. However, if you have concerns, speak with your veterinarian before using clove oil on your pet. 6. Baking soda. Baking soda is a common household item that serves many purposes, including getting rid of fleas in the house. When baking soda is applied to the skin, it absorbs the oils and moisture that fleas need to survive. This phenomenon causes the fleas to dehydrate and die. To use baking soda, sprinkle it liberally on your carpets and furniture. Let it sit for at least 24 hours, then vacuum it up. You may need to repeat this process several times to eliminate the flea infestation. You can add baking soda to your laundry when washing bedding and clothing to kill any remaining fleas. 7. Rosemary. Rosemary is a common herb known for its distinct aroma and flavor. But did you know that rosemary can also exterminate fleas? Rosemary is a natural insecticide that can kill fleas in your home. This oil contains compounds that are toxic to fleas. When it comes in contact with fleas, its compounds will kill them immediately. You can add rosemary to your pet's shampoo, or dilute and spray around your home to help keep fleas away. Here's how to use rosemary to eliminate fleas in your home. Start by brewing a strong pot of rosemary tea. Allow the tea to cool, then pour it into a spray bottle. Spray this mixture around your home, paying attention to areas where fleas are likely to congregate, such as beds, couches, and carpeting. You can also use fresh rosemary sprigs to deter fleas. Place these sprigs around your home in areas where you've seen fleas or where they are likely to hide. 8. Pennyroyal Herb. Pennyroyal is a perennial herb that is native to Europe. The plant has small, blue flowers and can reach up to 2 feet in height. The leaves of the pennyroyal plant contain the most potent essential oil, which can repel fleas. To make a natural flea repellent, mix 10 drops of pennyroyal essential oil with 1 cup of water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray around your home, paying close attention to areas where your pets spend time. You can also add a few drops of pennyroyal oil to your pet shampoo to help keep fleas away. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use diatomaceous earth for pest control. Thanks for watching and bye for now.